Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Pride Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for hash brown casserole. For this recipe, you'll need frozen shredded hash browns, shredded cheddar cheese, yellow onion, bacon, heavy cream, garlic powder, black pepper, and kosher salt. Begin by dicing the onion. Next, pour the heavy cream into a large mixing bowl and whisk in the garlic powder, black pepper, and kosher salt. Now, stir in the frozen shredded hash brown potatoes until fully covered in the cream mixture. Mix the shredded cheddar cheese into the creamy hash browns and set the mixture aside. Using a cast iron skillet set over medium-high heat, slice the bacon into thin strips using sharp kitchen shears and then dice them into smaller sized bits. Just a quick reminder before we continue with the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Allow the bacon some time to start getting crispy, and then add the onions to the skillet, reduce the heat to medium, and cook until softened. Fold the cheesy, creamy hash browns into the bacon and onion mixture. You may need to work in batches to ensure everything is thoroughly combined. Once thoroughly mixed, press it all down to make an even layer in the skillet. Lastly, bake the hash brown casserole at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Once the baking time is up, turn the broiler on to low or at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Remove the skillet from the oven, let the casserole cool for at least 10 minutes, and serve. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your hash brown casserole turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.